Understanding the phrase, flowing like a song. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful expression in the English language, flowing like a song. This phrase is not just about music or singing, but it's a metaphor that paints a vivid picture. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and how it can enhance your English language skills. When we describe something as flowing like a song, we're talking about smoothness and harmony. Imagine a river gliding effortlessly through a landscape or a melody that effortlessly moves from one note to another. This phrase is often used to describe a process, movement, or series of events that unfolds in a graceful, uninterrupted manner, much like a well-composed piece of music. This metaphorical expression can be used in various contexts. Writing and speech. It's perfect for enhancing descriptive writing or speeches, adding a lyrical quality that engages the audience's senses. Daily conversations. Use it to describe anything that has a seamless flow or progression, from storytelling to a well-organized event. Professional settings. In presentations or reports, it can describe processes or projects that proceed smoothly without issues. Remember, using phrases like flowing like a song can make your language richer and more expressive. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be incorporated into sentences. 1. Her presentation was flowing like a song, keeping everyone engaged until the end. 2. The new traffic system has the city's traffic flowing like a song, without the usual congestion. 3. His writing style is flowing like a song, making complex topics easily understandable. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, highlighting its use in different scenarios to describe smoothness and efficiency. Flowing like a song is a beautiful metaphorical expression that brings a touch of poetry to the English language. Its use can make our communication more vivid, engaging, and expressive. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use and appreciate this phrase in your own English language journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.